Hey guys, and welcome back to another Ask Traders video. Today we're going to go through what stop loss is, its benefits, and an example of how you would set one with a broker. So what is a stop loss? It's an order set by you and given to your broker to close your position in the market if it reaches a specific price level that is opposite to the direction you have traded in. Let's take a look at an example then. So I've got a Bitcoin against US dollar chart up here. If I wanted to buy Bitcoin at its current price, but I was worried that it could fall and I don't want it to fall any further than this red level here, which is at 6,500, then what I would need to do is set a stop loss order with my broker. But how would I do that? If we head over to the broker, so I've got an eToro account here. Is the same across most brokers, so don't worry if you're not using eToro. You would simply click buy and you would click on stop loss here, and you could then type in the level that you want to get out of the trade at. In our case it's 6,500. You then simply click open trade and you've now bought Bitcoin, and if it does drop to the level that you've set, your position will automatically close, the broker will close it, and you will come out with your predefined loss. So what are the benefits? Well, I've just mentioned one there. You have a predefined risk. If you, for example, only wanted to risk 1% of your account per trade, you would do that using a stop loss level. You also don't need to constantly be checking your charts. I'm sure some of you like to get some sleep, so you can leave your trades overnight in confidence that you're not going to have any major drawdown in your account. So that's what stop loss is. That's how you'd use it. That's how you would set one with a broker. If you have any questions for us or you'd like to join our trading community, then simply head over to our website, which you can see here. And we have loads of traders on there with a lot of experience. They'll be willing to ask any questions. You can also see our trade ideas, market analysis, and head over to our forum to discuss. For now, I wish you a good week and I'll hopefully speak to you soon.